All right, guys, we're back. Welcome back. Let's do a couple more. I don't have a whole lot. Let's do 165. Let's see what's going on with 165, okay? Try not to make a mistake. Okay. First decide 165 is cosine, okay? Cosine 165 must be somewhere here, okay? In the second quadrant, cosine has to be negative. So it doesn't matter which formula you use. I'll use the right formula. I will stick to my minus sign. All right? I'll stick to my minus sign. Again, this is all about cosine 165. It doesn't matter what its value is, it has to be negative. So this is the formula I'm using. And I'm going to say is equal to minus, or we're going to get to minus cosine 165 times 2 is 330, I think. 330. And this, your calculator will do that for you, right? Let me quickly double check. 330 divided by 2 is 165. And 330 is a good number. It's a unit circle number right here. That's not a bad thing. And now, very carefully, I am going to choose the cosine alpha over 2 formula, the one in the box on my right, but I'm going to stick a minus sign here. I don't want to make that mistake again, right? All right. All right. So let's do it carefully. Let me see. Minus 1 minus cosine alpha. Alpha is 330 divided by 2. Okay. Cosine 330 is right here. Cosine is square root of 3 minus 2. That's all there is to it. Is equal to minus radical sign square root of 3 over 2 square root of 3 over 2, 1 minus, and then the whole thing. I have to write it very carefully, okay? Give me 1 second. All right, let me do it this way. All right, instead of this, I'm going to write square root of 3 over 2. And it is positive, so I'm going to write square root of 3 over 2. Okay, now I think I have it right. All right, same kind of a deal. Instead of 1, I'm going to write 2 over 2. And that helps me write 2 minus this guy. All right, that's much better. Now here, this 2 and this 2 makes this a 4. Now, or square root of 4 is 2. And minus, let me see if I got it right, okay? $165, sorry. Give me 1 second. 25. Minus, let me put it right there. Bring this guy here. Great. Okay. Made a tiny error, guys, and my bad. This formula has a plus. I entered the wrong formula. So I have to be careful. And now we're good. I just copy pasted the wrong formula that I had on top, but now we're all good. Okay. The second formula is what we're using, and there's a plus sign, hence the plus sign. Everything looks fine. Let's pause here just a little bit. I would like to do one more problem. It's a little repetitive, I know. I would like to do one more problem for you guys. All right, which one is left? Let me do cosine 22.5. Cosine 22.5. All right, cosine 22.5 can be written as cosine 45 divided by 2, and that using the formula cosine 22.5 is in the first quadrant. That makes it positive. So I'm just going to choose the positive one. All right, 45, 1 plus, I got the plus sign right. Everything looks fine. Okay, now cosine 45 degrees is 1 over square root of 2 or square root of 2 over 2. And I'm going to write square root of 2 over 2 right here. And I am going to write instead of 1, I'm going to write 2 over 2. And now that I have the same denominators, I can write 2 plus square root of 2. All right. Now, I'm going to take this, and when you divide a fraction by 2, it's like multiplying by half. So that makes that 4. 4. And now I take the square root of the top, square root of the bottom, square root of the top is this, square root of the bottom is 2. And let's see what the answer is, 22. Let's see, 22. Let's bring this guy here. 2, 2, 2. So everything is good. We got it. Again, a little hint, even though the formula has plus minus, based on what the answer is, you have to decide if it's plus or minus, okay? Just find out which quadrant it is in. And these problems, I don't think they're very difficult, but as you have seen, it's easy to make a mistake. You're going to pick up the wrong formula, don't divide it by 2. So it's very easy to make a mistake. Be a little careful, do some extra practicing, right? Anything else, guys? I don't have anything else to cover. We are done with our very close to syllabus. We do sometimes we start 4, sometime when we have face-to-face class. I'm not going to worry about it too much. It's the end of the semester and we did chapter 2 and chapter 3 pretty thoroughly. Any other questions, guys? Okay, guys. I am going to jump out of this session and I'll be back. I will be uploading the videos. Feel free to stop by if you have any questions for me about anything. If we're alone, I can talk about your grade. Otherwise, we can't. So it's still class time, right? So if you have any questions, you can also email me. If you want me to do something for you, problem that you are struggling with, I'll be happy to record a video. Study, you get a day off tomorrow and you study for your exam. You wrap up your homework problems. Everything is due on the 27th. The exam will become available on Monday. All right, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.